Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram effect not working problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings. Now scroll down to the apps section. Okay, now go to the settings, go to the search, and search on Instagram. Okay, and now next go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache. Click on it. Now you can go to check it if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data. But be careful, when you clear data you lose all your data. Your Instagram's data will be deleted. So this includes data files, databases, and etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.